So instead of doing what I'm supposed to be doing, this is what I'm doing.
Alexa, fart.
That was a cheap wobbling one.
Alexa,
Would you like me?
fart. Alexa, fart.
That was a relaxed one. Try asking me for a
Alexa?
wet and squeaky.
Fart.
That was a long one. Try asking me for a random fart or try a 10 seconds fart countdown.
Hello, honey.
Hey, what fart
What
would
have you
you
been
like?
doing lately? You want to check it? Alexa, read the shopping list.
You have 4 items
That
on
was
your
a
shopping
muffled
list.
one.
It's okay.
Try asking
Fart.
me for a silent
Hello.
fart.
And eggs.
Or say random.
So you've been ordering farts, hellos, and eggs.
That was a short and gassy one. Ask me about the Extreme Farts extension pack. Or just say random. Ask me about the Extreme Farts extension pack. Or just say random.
And
Okie dokie.